and welcome to the 6th race of the season. And this week we are here and racing at Richmond. So the reason why I have not posted in a long time is because I went to Daytona and then I had a bunch of schoolwork to catch up on, so that's why I haven't been posting. But we are back for race 6 of the season here at Richmond, and I've gotten a bunch of new cars while I was at Daytona, including the 2024 Joey Logano Hunt Brothers Pizza Ford Mustang, which he will be running this weekend at Phoenix by the time the video goes up. But yeah, it wasn't like it's not something you can buy. If you would like to get it, you have to wait till it actually comes out. I got it from one of the people who were sponsored by Hunt Brothers, so I got it from one of them for free. But yeah, anyways, that's besides the point. I got a bunch of new other cars. I got a bunch of other new cars as well, including the '62 Wendy's Chevrolet. So I know Justin Haley does not drive Ford. Not drive a Chevy in real life. He used to, but now he doesn't. He drives a Ford for Rick Ware Racing. But he will be driving the '62. So however many, so he automatically for the other races gets 15 points. So 15 from the 5 races. So he has 15 points from each of the 5, and then whatever he gets this race will be his point total. But yeah, anyways, let's get into racing. So here, in group number 1 is the 9 of Chase Elliott, Ryan Blaney, Austin Dillon, and Ross Chastain. Row number 2 is Kyle Larson, Brad Keselowski, Josh Berry, and Kyle Busch. And then row number 3 is Corey LaJoie and Austin Cindric. They're both Menards cars are in this group because I got a new Austin Cindric, so don't get confused. Anyways, we're underway here at Richmond. Oh my goodness, what a huge crash on lap number 1. And it's going to be the 9 of Chase Elliott. Chase Elliott will make it across. He will make it across the line, but he will go up and over. He will finish 10th. 9th will be Kyle Larson, doesn't even make it across the line. 8th is Brad Keselowski. 7th is Corey LaJoie. 6th is Josh Berry. 5th is Austin Cindric. 4th. Wow, that is really, really close. 4th is Ryan Blaney. 3rd is Ross Chastain. 2nd's Kyle Busch. And 1st is his teammate Austin Dillon. Both RCR guys will advance to the next round. And here in group number 2 is the 99 of Daniel Suarez, Carson Hocevar, AJ Allmendinger, and Christopher Bell in row number 1. And row number 2 is Riley Herbst, Sheldon Creed, Harrison Burton, and Chase Briscoe. Then row number 3 is Chris Buescher and Denny Hamlin. We are underway here in group 2. And let's see anyone flip over. No. So 10th is going to be Chris Buescher. 9th will be Riley Herbst. 8th is Denny Hamlin. 7th is Chase Briscoe. 6th is Sheldon Creed. 5th is Carson Hocevar. 4th is AJ Allmendinger. 3rd is Daniel Suarez. 2nd is Christopher Bell. And 1st is Harrison Burton. Harrison Burton, he has been consistent but has not gotten a win yet. Will he find his way to victory lane here today? He has been one of the most consistent drivers from this season and last season. He made the championship 4 last year and is really consistent this year. I think he's, if just the normal point standings without like the playoff standings, I think he's like 4th, 3rd or 4th, something like that in the points. But yeah, anyways, let's get the starting lineup. And number 1 for Group 3 is Martin Truex Jr., Noah Gragson, Eric Jones, and Michael McDowell. Row number 2 is Zane Smith, William Byron, Joey Logano, and Todd Gilliland. Row number 3 is John Nemechek and Ryan Preece. Ryan Preece always good on these short tracks, so let's see how he does. And terrible run for Todd Gilliland. I don't think he... Oh, no, he did. I thought he didn't make it all the way, but never mind. 10th is Sean Nemechek. 9th is Michael McDowell. 8th is Todd Gilliland. 7th is William Byron. 6th is Zane Smith. 5th is Martin Truex. 4th is Ryan Preece. 3rd is Joey Logano. 2nd is Noah Gragson. And 1st is Eric Jones. Noah Gragson is pretty high up in the standings. He's inside the top 16. But Eric Jones, 21st in the standings. He needs a good day, so good for him. Austin Dillon, so far, is 2nd in the points, and he has a chance to improve that, to pass one of the guys who's in this group. He is starting 3rd. We'll get to that while we say our starting lineup. And number 1 for Group 4 is Daniel Hemrick, Bubba Wallace, and Ricky Stenhouse Jr., your points leader. And then Alex Bowman. And number 2 is Kaz Gralla, Jimmy Johnson, Shane Van Gisbergen, and Kaz Gralla. Then number 3 is Ty Gibbs and Tyler Reddick. We're underway. By the way, I think I might have said Kaz Gralla twice on the 62, but I meant Justin Haley if I said it wrong. Anyways, 10th is Jimmy Johnson. 9th is Ty Gibbs. 8th is Bubba Wallace. 7th is Tyler Reddick. Man, 23-11 just got the double whammy right there. That sucks. 6th is Kaz Gralla. 5th is Alex Bowman. 4th is Shane Van Gisbergen. No, 3rd is Shane Van Gisbergen. 4th is Justin Haley. 2nd is Daniel Hemrick. And 1st is your points leader, Ricky Stenhouse. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. having a phenomenal season so far. And he will improve on that here today. So out of these drivers here, Daniel Hemrick can be looking for his 2nd career win this season. All the other drivers will be trying just to make the playoffs. Hemrick will be looking for his 2nd win, and he will be starting 8th. But now let's get to your starting lineup here for the final round for 2 laps here in Richmond. And number 1 is Austin Dillon, Harrison Burton, Eric Jones, and Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Then number 2 is Kyle Busch, Christopher Bell, Noah Gragson, and Daniel Hemrick. We're underway for 2 laps to see who will win at Richmond. And let's see. Any DNFs? No. Kyle Busch will be 8th. 7th is Christopher Bell. Oh yes, there was. That's my bad. I was losing it. Eric Jones did flip on the side. So Eric Jones will be 8th. Then 7th is Kyle Busch. 6th is Christopher Bell. Fifth is Austin Dillon. Fourth is Daniel Hemrick. Third is Harrison Burton. Second is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. And first is Noah Gragson. That is completely my bad, guys. I did not see Eric Jones on the side. Flipped over. So yeah, Eric Jones will improve on his points scenario, but he will not get the win like he wanted. And now here on lap number 2, it's Noah Gragson, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Harrison Burton, and Daniel Hemrick in run number 1. Run number 2 is Austin Dillon, Christopher Bell, and Kyle Busch. Who's going to take it here in Richmond? We're underway. And let's see. And I'm so dumb. Noah Gragson, he was leading the field to green on this lap. He will come in 7th. 6th is Austin Dillon. 5th will be Kyle Busch. Kyle Busch did better than what I expected. His car isn't that fast, but he did get a good finishing spot, so I'll just be quiet. 4th is Christopher Bell. 3rd is Harrison Burton. 2nd is Daniel Hemrick, and 1st is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. will win and lock himself into the playoffs. And now Ricky Stenhouse will be the playoff standings leader and the points leader for the first time this season. So far this season, we have not had the same points leader and playoff leader, since the playoff leader, they have wins and not just points. But yeah, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. will win it. He will come in 1st here today. 2nd will be Daniel Hemrick. And 3rd will be Harrison Burton. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys for race 7. See you guys next time. Goodbye.